love that story?
Yeah.
What's next?
Can you see it now?
Well, you gotta tell me the Gruffalo story first. Say the Gruffalo story.
And that day, and that tail,
Come tell me the story over here.
and that.
All right, tell the story.
Yeah.
He has.
Terrible cries, terrible cuts, and terrible back tongue.
And a terrible black tongue. That's right.
And
He has purple prickles all over his
back.
You know who I'm gonna send this video to, Ian?
Oh.
Nika and Cielo.
Can you? I hope they give us a video.
Oh, that'd be good. Nika and Cielo. Say hi to Nika and Cielo.
Hi, Nika Cielo.
We miss you. And Kate and Howell. They gave us that book, The Gruffalo, you know.
You. Can you see now?
Okay, say bye-bye then.
Bye-bye. And bye-bye. Thank you for giving us that Gruffalo book.
Yeah.
We love you. We love you.
Yeah.
We love you.
Okay.
This is Ian and Leia.
Okay.